If Photopea is acting weird with missing panels, an offset layout, or even a blank grey screen, don't worry, because this is usually a browser or settings issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix the Photopea screen bug step by step, so you can get the full interface back and keep editing without frustration. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more software fixes, and let's jump right in. First, try the simplest fix. Refresh Photopea hard. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and F5 together. On Mac, try Command Shift and R. This forces your browser to reload the page completely instead of using a saved version that may be broken. If the screen still looks off, open Photopea in an incognito or private window. This is important because it bypasses a lot of local data, saved cache, and extensions that might be causing the issue in your regular browser session. If Photopea loads normally in Incognito, that tells you the problem is likely related to browser storage or an extension in your normal window. Next, let's toggle full screen. Press F11 on your keyboard or use your browser's full screen option, then exit full screen again. This may sound simple, but sometimes the Photopea interface gets stuck or hidden, and forcing the browser view to switch can bring the panels and menus back into place. After that, check your extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and other browser extensions can interfere with Photopea's interface, especially if they block scripts or layout elements. Temporarily disable those extensions one by one, then reload Photopea and see if the screen returns to normal. If it does, you found the cause. You can then whitelist Photopea or leave that extension disabled while you use the app. Now, if you're using Microsoft Edge, there's one more setting that can cause problems. Open Edge settings and look for Enhance your security on the web. In some cases, this feature blocks WebAssembly execution, which Photopea needs to run properly. If Photopea is showing a blank screen or failing to load the editor correctly, try turning that setting off, then reload the page. Once the change is applied, Photopea should have a much better chance of loading the full interface correctly. If you still see a problem, clear your browser cache for Photopea specifically, then restart the browser and try again. You can also test Photopea in another browser, like Chrome or Firefox, to see whether the issue is browser specific. The key is to work through these fixes in order. Refresh first, try Incognito next, toggle full screen, disable extensions, and then check Edge security settings if needed. In most cases, one of these steps solves the screen bug quickly. And once Photopea is back to normal, you should see the panels, toolbar, and workspace exactly where they belong. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more practical tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.